So here we have the turbo for a 2007 Audi A4. Just pulled it out. The 4 bolts here are the 4 of the hardest ones to get. This one's pretty hard, and then here it's hidden behind the exhaust pipe. I'll show you what we did to get it out. Take your normal socket wrench. You have to cut the bit off, so it's probably 15 centimeters or just over 6 inches long. Down here, you have to reach in under behind the exhaust and twist it at the bottom so you can get all the way back there to this gear down, this bolt down here. And we have to put a rope on the end of this wrench and pull it up this way to loosen the bolt. So what you have to do is just cut off a standard wrench to get it short enough to fit your hand down beside the exhaust pipe. Where's your light on? So this is part 2 of the video. When you're trying to get the turbo off, there's 4 bolts along the under of the manifold. You can get to the 2 end ones from this side. This one you can get from the back with a socket or a wrench ring spanner. This one you have to get from the bottom, lying right down there and coming up here. But just remember, you don't have to undo it the whole way, you just have to undo it a little bit. So if you just crack it a little bit, it'll come off enough to let the manifold out, because as you pick it up, it's only sitting in there. So don't go to all the effort of undoing the whole thing.